Have you ever wondered, why do we get goosebumps in certain situations? Why do our hands and feet wrinkle after being in water for a while? Why do we sometimes get white spots on our nails? Why don't babies shed tears when they cry? And why are men more likely to be colorblind than women? The answers to these questions are just as shocking as this video itself. So stay with us until the very end. Fact number 21. You must have noticed those small white spots on some people's nails. Ever wondered why they appear? These spots are actually a sign of deficiency. They usually occur due to lack of iron, calcium, or minerals in the body. The connection between our mind and body is so strong that whenever something goes wrong inside, like an illness or a deficiency, symptoms start showing up outside quickly. It's the body's way of warning us, so that we can fix it in time. Fact number 20. According to a 1989 study published in the American Journal of Public Health, left-handed people live about 9 months shorter on average than right-handed people. Why? Because most of the tools, machines, and everyday items in this world are designed for right-handed use. This makes life a little more challenging for left-handers, and also increases their chances of accidents, which sometimes even turn fatal. Fact number 19. We all know that our brain controls the entire body. But here's something crazy. During surgery, doctors can literally cut the brain in half and separate it, and yet it won't lose its ability to function. And do you know, the human brain actually keeps growing until the age of 40 years. Fact number 18. According to the International Hyperhidrosis Society, the human body has about 5 million sweat glands, but we don't usually notice them. Most of these sweat glands are located on the soles of our feet, palms of our hands, and on our forehead. In fact, each foot alone contains around 125,000 sweat glands. Interestingly, most sweat glands in women's feet remain closed. That's why men's feet tend to smell more than women's. Fact number 17. Your tongue is what allows you to sense taste. Without it, tasting food would be impossible. Earlier, people believed that different parts of the tongue sensed different tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter. But modern research proves that every part of the tongue can sense all tastes. Also, an average male's tongue length is 3.3 inches, while a female's tongue is around 3.1 inches. Fact number 16. Your lips are among the most sensitive parts of your body. Behind them lies a powerful muscle called the masseter muscle, which helps us chew food. And guess what? This muscle is so strong that it can lift up to 90 kilograms of weight. Fact number 15. Have you noticed that cancer patients often lose their hair? Well, it's not because they shave it off. It's because of chemotherapy, the treatment used against cancer. One of its side effects is sudden hair loss. In a healthy person, hair grows about 0.03 centimeters per day. And all of our hair follicles, the roots from which hair grows, are actually formed when we are still inside our mother's womb. Fact number 14. Our brain makes up just 2% of our body weight, yet it consumes 30% of the body's oxygen. Since the brain controls everything, it requires a huge amount of energy, and that's why it uses so much oxygen. Fact number 13. Food is essential for survival. But how much do we eat in a lifetime? According to scientists, an average healthy human being consumes about 30,000 kilograms of food by the age of 70. Fact number 12. Do you know how many mosquito bites it would take to kill a human being? The answer is shocking. About 2 million mosquito bites. Each mosquito sucks around 0.01 milliliters of blood. So only if 2 million mosquitoes bit you at once. Would you lose enough blood to die? Fact number 11. Our brain is made up of 73% water. That's why water is extremely important for survival. If you lose water equal to just 1% of your body weight, you start feeling thirsty. For example, if you weigh 50 kilograms, dropping below 5 liters of water in your body would make you very thirsty. If water loss reaches 10%, it can even cause death. Fact number 10. Your fingerprints are completely unique. No two people on Earth have the same pattern. Even identical twins have different fingerprints. But here's something you didn't know. Your tongue print is also unique. Yes, if we could scan tongue prints, no two people would ever match. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll unlock our phones with our tongues, instead of fingerprints. Fact number 9. If you took your lungs out of your body and put them in water, they would float. That's because even after exhaling fully, your lungs always retain about 1 liter of air, called residual lung volume. This air keeps them buoyant in water. Fact number 8. If you're sleeping deeply and someone tries to wake you up with light, sound, or by shaking you, you will wake up. But according to a study at Brown University, if someone puts a bad smell or even a good fragrance near your nose while you're sleeping, you won't wake up. Fact number 7. When two people kiss for just 10 seconds, over 80 million bacteria are exchanged between them. But don't panic. Most of these are good bacteria, which actually help our bodies and improve immunity. Fact number 6. A newborn baby's body contains only about 1 cup of blood. Also, babies cannot shed tears while crying, because their tear ducts are still developing. And here's something fascinating. Unlike most body parts, our nose and ears keep growing throughout life. That's why our facial structure keeps changing as we age. Fact number 5. When you stay in water for too long, your fingers and toes start wrinkling. Is it just random? No, it has a purpose. According to UK scientists, these wrinkles actually help us grip objects better when our hands or feet are wet. Without them, it would be very difficult to hold things underwater. Fact number 4. In a lifetime, an average human walks about 177,000 kilometers. That's enough to circle the Earth 4 times. According to Cancer Research UK, walking just 30 minutes every day reduces fat storage and keeps your body fitter. Fact number 3. Why do we get goosebumps? When you're scared, anxious, or even super excited, your body releases a hormone called adrenaline. When too much adrenaline is released suddenly, the tiny muscles at the base of your hair follicles contract, making your hair stand up. And that's what causes goosebumps. Fact number 2. Women can see and differentiate between more colors than men. Men not only struggle to see different shades, but are also much more likely to be colorblind. On average, women blink 18 to 20 times per minute, while men blink only 11 to 12 times per minute. Fact number 1. The human heart is one of the most powerful organs. It never stops working, from birth until death. A woman's heart beats faster than a man's. And do you know, in a single day, the heart pumps around 9,000 liters of blood. It generates enough pressure to squirt blood up to 30 feet high. So friends, these were some amazing and shocking facts about the human body. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.